It's likely a bad solenoid or two.
Drill out these 4 little rivets. 1, 2, 3. And then this comes apart. Oop. There, that's all. And then the contact point. Boop, 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 really corroded in there on that one little wire.
That one little wire was the problem. It was so corroded that it had broken. So all I had to do was resolder it and it was good to go. Do not remove this rivet unless you have to. If you do accidentally pull the coil out and the tiny wire on the other side that grounds it out, then you'll have to grind that rivet off and get that tiny wire back on like I did. And that is why this solenoid has been that tiny wire soldered, welded, and epoxied. Apply 12 volts to the small terminal on the solenoid and ground out the bracket with the solenoid on. Check the resistance between the 2 large posts and it should read 0 like this. And then you unhook one of your battery leads and check your posts again, and the resistance will be infinite. No connection.
Fixed it.